Mile, mile, work. Mile, mile, work. Mile, mile, work. Mile, mile, Up in the sky for my Uso. This is how we do it when we reppin' Afaluko. Happy with my Luko, gang from the Luko. Some niggas call me Trip and Hang. Luko Styler is the name. When I step, bring the pressure, no fear. Words roll heavy off the tongue, make it crystal clear. Talk slick, move quick, yeah, I shift that lane. Every bar hit hard, let it ring with the flame. Say loud if you got it, better stand on your ground. No bluff in the voice when I'm laying it down. From the rhythm to the bounce, Luko Styler on groove. Every move calculated, when I step, I move. Got the flow on repeat, yeah, stick like glue. From the front to the back, yeah, they feeling it too. No pause in the motion, yeah, I ride that wave. Every line hit deep, yeah, that go and crave. If you hear it one time, yeah, you know the sound. Island roots in the rhythm when I'm breaking it down. From the mic to the stage, yeah, I bring that fuego. All the way to Samoa, yeah, we run the whole show. Up in the sky for my Uso. This is how we do it when we reppin' Afaluko. Happy with my Luko, gang from the Luko. Some niggas call me Trip and Hang. Up in the sky for my Uso. This is how we do it when we reppin' Afaluko. Happy with my Luko, gang from the Luko. Some niggas call me Trip and Hang. Luko gangs up in this beat. Light that up, we need to hit. Somebody tell my Uso, man, we need that green bud quick. Every day's a hard mission, tell us where my Usos live. I do this for the whole of solo mate, so come and trip. All my Usos keep it all true. This the BG, we do that old school. Uso, come and kick it if you down to get drunk. I'm reppin' Luko till I die. Who we are, what you think? Luko's on top like a bird in the sky. I got my Usos drinking bottles, yeah, we going all night. I got the MrTee and Zipso, man, they got it on lock. This is a shout out to all my Usos on the block.